Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video, let's take a look at Tesla stock and let's identify going in this week. Are we going to continue higher as for the price action that has established itself from the last couple of days in an uptrend, or with this last candle that we got where we are seeing some wick up on the top that's a sell-off pressure, is this going to, or has it brought in weakness on Tesla? Let's take a look at all of that. Now, this week is an inauguration week for President Donald Trump. And as you know, Elon Musk is very closely associated in everything of the new start in the the presidency. So he will be running a department as well. So will that affect Tesla? So I do expect market will react, not just Tesla, but overall market will react this week quite a lot. But let's see what is possibility, and as we are able to identify, and we will be able to identify through the technicals, that eventually what areas, if the price action loses or stumbles upon, will that start to result in much more weakness, right? Because technically it's all technicals, right? Like the way we trade, we can make any decision just based off of technicals. So that's what I'll be focusing on in this video. And by the end of this video, you will have full clarity on what to watch on Tesla price action, what type of positions can be taken, and I'll take you over the options data as well in this video. And based on even what position you are in, how to manage that based off of the price action that I'll just go over. So with that, let's jump right into it. But I also want to let you know, none of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes, just sharing my opinion here. Please do your own thing. Now, overall structure, as you know, and I'm on the passive mode right now on my tools, we are bullish. Even on the active mode, we are bullish. So, but here we are, still just fine, still bullish. And this is something I already called out right above this blue box, that we do have a strength to continue higher. Yes, we are seeing some sell-off pressure that very last day, but that's also an important level area because I have a blue box marked there from the previous videos. And so it has a lot of significance still. But this sell-off pressure, does it worry me? We'll answer that in just a second. And as I said, yes, I will take you over the options data as well, where the traders are betting their money this week on Tesla. Now, on the hourly interval, we are still fine directionally. Yes, the last candle that the last hour that I'm seeing is a little bit of a sell-off, but we are technically still fine. Until where is that a possibility? Now, definitely, if we don't stay above 427 when the market opens, there is a room for Tesla to fall. But however, it's just going to be a day cool off, at least until where, right? It's not going to change the structure bearish, is what I'm trying to say. Until the level where this trend line is down here with the combination and confluence of 418 level. So give it some, 413 to $418 area. As long as we stay above it, overall direction wise, we'll still remain fine on Tesla. Let's go to the 4 hours interval, because I'll be able to give you some more idea here, because 4 hours is what I use for the direction basis with my tool, and we are already bullish, and with even any pullback until 414 will be just fine on Tesla. Yes, if 418 to 414 will just remain fine on Tesla in the direction basis. It's just going to take it as a pullback. All right, you can use trend line as a reference that I have here. Now, definitely, as if we stay above 427, that's great. It's just a run up from right up over here. And definitely the problem, where will the problem be though, right? So we don't have much room for the overall weakness. Look, yes, day trades weakness can come, that I just gave you some example of. Those shorts can come, but only for day trading purposes. We would be fine on the overall structure even until again $400. Let's say even if Tesla does this red sell-off, let's say if that happens, as long as it can still establish itself above $400, given any given day, we are just fine on Tesla. So in other words, we are still bullish in the price action, and Tesla has a lot of room even until 400 to eventually in the overall structure remain bullish. Yes, that will result in some day trades cool offs, and my tools on lower time frame will help you to make those decisions, right? So on 5 minutes, it's very simple. You just gotta use the tools to make, if you're just doing the day trading, right? So for example, let's turn it on. I'm on the 5 minutes interval, and you can see we started the day on Tesla. This is an example of the last day, right? Very strong bullish price action above the cloud, and we remained in the green structure. This is where we turned red, which means you take all the profits which you gained from the morning, book all the profits, get out, and if you want to trade short, that's your choice. But then we had a red structure, right? So my tools will take care of everything. You just have to use them. So and if you need access to my tools, links are in the description of this video. There's also a discount ongoing. Details you will find in the description of this video. There are links there, just follow them. All right, now I want to take you over the options data, and let's see where the traders are betting their money, and definitely I'll provide my opinion as well as for the options data, what I see are playable options, right? So for this week. Now, so here we are. These are the options going on Tesla. And as you can see, 450, a huge spike on the call. $450 is not very far away. 450 is right around the corner. All right, who knows? It might just gap up right above 450. It's very nearby. But overall is what I also want to show you is that there's just a lot of strength on the call side on Tesla. Puts are very little, very less. Right now, strength is on the call side, a lot of calls. Again, this doesn't guarantee that price is going to go there. You still have to have a stop loss. But so far, as I gave you the price action is bullish, and the traders' interest right now for this week is also bullish and very bullish on Tesla. So, and 450 is very possible in my opinion, where the spike is. So I do think many of those traders will make good money. But anyways, nothing is guaranteed. That's why I give you the levels, and that's how we have to trade, with the stop loss, identifying where the structure will become weaker and where the structure will remain strengthful. And so that's what I wanted to focus on. Is there anything else? No. So overall, we are fine. Okay, and we are just fine on Tesla actually. Just stay with the levels, stay with the structure from daily 4 hours, 1 hours interval, and definitely 5 minutes as well if you are doing day trading. But just use the tools and they will tell you everything in real time. And that's all I have for you guys in this video. So I did the options data as well, and then the price action, and I'm just thinking if there's something else. I guess that's all I had for you guys. All good. All right, guys, with that, I'll see you in my next videos. Take care. Bye.